The Star card. Wish I wish upon a star. I wonder, wonder where you are. This card suggests that you've been through a challenging time, but things are getting better. You've survived and gained insights that you hadn't before. This is a restful card, and it brings with it hope and healing and the advice to trust the universe. This girl here is just, she's pouring the... she's scooping the water from the pond, and then she's pouring it to nourish the earth. It's a nice card. I really like the Star card. It's about hope and confidence, and it's with the cosmos are within us. We're made of all this starry cosmos stuff. If it's reversed, which is this way, it could be some negativity, maybe an avoidance and a lack of help, as in helping yourself. It's someone who's running away from their problems, self-doubt, and even negativity. And here, these 7 stars here, those are your chakras. And they're all nice and balanced in the big star of hope. So the Star card is a very confident and hopeful card.